How to check and test light sensor on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here. So click on the device care. Now here's to scroll down and click on diagnostics. So after click on diagnostics, you will see click on phone diagnostics. So after click on phone diagnostic, and if you want to check and test light sensor, so you will see sensor is here. So click on sensor. So you will see test is start. So after the process, test is showing on your screen. My sensor test is normal. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can check and test light sensor on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.